A key ingredient in hummus is lemon juice. It's got to be fresh. There's got to be a lot of it. What we have here are a variety of lemons, because you can use any kind of lemon, actually. These are store-bought. There's different kinds. There's Meyer lemons, which tend to be a little bit sweeter. There's Persian lemons. Your homegrown lemon variety, some of them are huge, and they all make delicious juices. All you got to do is simply cut it in half. Now, you certainly can just squeeze it into a bowl. I like this. These reamers are very inexpensive, and it just makes juicing a little bit simpler and faster. You just turn and squeeze against the sides, and the juice comes out, and it separates the pits and the pith. Now, we want to put in a half a cup, so we're going to have to do 2 lemons. And you can see how easy this is. This is something too, like lemon juice like this can keep in the refrigerator for several days. So if you're in a juice squeezing mood, you can certainly take some time and squeeze a few lemons, or just squeeze them as you need them. But the fresher, the better. Okay.